Are you new to yoga? In this video, we'll explore some beginner-friendly yoga poses to help you get started on your yoga journey. Let's begin with the mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides, and take a deep breath in. Next, we have the downward-facing dog. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Moving on to the Warrior Two pose. Step your left foot back, bend your right knee, and extend your arms out to the sides. Find stability and feel the strength within you. Now, let's try the tree pose. Shift your weight onto your left foot, place your right foot on your left inner thigh, and bring your hands together at your heart center. The child's pose is a great resting pose. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, and fold your torso forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Let's move into the cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest off the mat while keeping your pelvis grounded. Finally, we'll end with the corpse pose. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, and allow your body to fully relax and release any tension.